Incremental greetings! Today I want to share with you how you can use some heuristics to assess your burden with your collection, looking at the outstanding queue. So if you go to View and Outstanding to get the outstanding queue on the browser, you will see the rate range. Usually it's from 1 day to today. So August 13th is my today when I'm recording this video. And the first is the 7th of July. This means that I have elements that become outstanding at the 7th of July, and as of today, they are still outstanding. And I can check that by going to the next rep column and then sorting once again to get the opposite order. So good to know, right? What I could do is start a subset review to focus on the items that have been outstanding for longer. And on top of that, you could also use the calendar. And here I have the counts of all previous days. 2,400 outstanding that I have. It's the sum of all these days. So I will use the calendar for my outstanding queue from the previous days. So let's say at the 20. And then I will do the subset review of that particular day. So long story short is, if you care only about 1 day, just yesterday, or you did a weekend off, so you will go back to Saturday if it's Monday and so on. And if you want to range, instead you could use this. PO, outstanding, order by next rep once again, and a start. You don't have to do the entire thing. That's also the point. If my outstanding queue is growing, it's because I don't do all my reps. But at least, since I only did 1 repetition on most of them, and they become outstanding, I can focus on them to avoid forgetting, right? A third way to do it is by pre-filtering. So I only want view, filter, only want items that are memorized and that have only 1 single repetition. And now I want to filter the ones that are outstanding. So here, child, and I filtered the outstanding. Look, I have almost 800. So I will go child, outstanding, and almost 300. So now I filtered the items on my outstanding, and now instead of having this ordered, I don't know if it's the 3 order by default here, I will do the same. So look, this is meant to be reviewed on July, and I still haven't done it. So now I will start a subset here, because all of those items have done once. And I could filter the same for priority, up to you.